Hello cuties. Looking for small business ideas you can start from home? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing 10 amazing handmade business ideas that are perfect for women who want to earn from home using their skills and passion. Whether you're a student, mom, or a craft lover, there's something here for you. This is Easy Creator Hub, helping you turn creativity into income. First is handmade jewelry business. Handmade jewelry is a timeless and creative small business idea that women can easily start from home. Whether it's beaded bracelets, resin earrings, or thread anklets, people love wearing unique and personalized jewelry. Second is customized gift boxes. Customized gift boxes are always in demand for birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, and special occasions. You can fill these boxes with candles, mini cards, skincare products, or decor pieces and wrap them beautifully. Third is resin art products. Resin art is a trending craft that includes making coasters, trays, bookmarks, keychains, jewelry, and more. If you love colors, creativity, and aesthetics, this business is perfect for you. Fourth is candle making business. Making handmade candles at home is both relaxing and profitable. You can create scented, colorful, or decorative candles that customers love to buy for self-care, gifting, or events. Fifth is handmade wall decor. Macrame wall hangings, dream catchers, and plant holders are beautiful handmade items that are trending in home decor. If you enjoy working with threads and patterns, you can easily learn this art and start creating aesthetic home decorations. 6 is customized t-shirts. You can start a business where you design and sell printed or hand-painted t-shirts, tote bags, baby clothes, or hoodies. This is a great business for women who love fashion and design. 7 is handmade diaries. If you're someone who loves stationery, you can start making handmade journals, diaries, planners, or scrapbooks. People love to use personalized notebooks for writing, bullet journaling, or as memory albums. 8 is fabric painting. Fabric painting or block printing is an artistic business where you can create your own designs on dupattas, t-shirts, cushions, or tote bags. 9 is pressed flower art. Pressed flower art is a delicate and beautiful business where you use real dried flowers to make bookmarks, greeting cards, or wall frames. These pieces look elegant and natural, and they are very popular as gifts or decor. Last one is kids' hair accessories and bows. Moms are always looking for cute hair clips, bows, and headbands for their daughters, especially for birthdays, photo shoots, and school events. If you enjoy working with fabric, lace, or ribbons, you can easily start making adorable accessories at home. So, which handmade business idea inspired you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Easy Creator Hub for more creative business tips and editing tutorials. Keep creating, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.